Butterflies travel to Mexico, the best place to go, where there's plenty of flowers to eat, sweet nectar strive to survive, with colorful wings of camouflage help in and come alive. Scotty the beta fish and Leo the neon tetra play a game of hiding in the plants in the tank, where all the bubbles would sink. Scotty found Neo from the long green plant shaking behind the top stem. But too bad Neo did not blend in. It's more likely Scotty will win. Chloe the Clownfish made other sea animals stay by clowning around. Among other fish there is no frown. Happiness all over the sea, and that is how it ought to be. Leonard swimming through the Great Barrier Reef one afternoon, knowing the sun will set soon. Leonard follows a colorful path with different colored coral, brown, orange, and green, and red, that help him to be well led. Gregory the Grasshopper hopped in the grass. There was a small bush he had went past, finding his way in the light of the crescent-shaped moon, watching out for the big red ant dune. Rose the bumblebee find beautiful flowers in mid-May, all assortments of flowers and many arrays. Would not stop the making of tasty honey without delay. Mandy the pet duck beats on her owner's drum, the sound it will make, brum brum. She's been beating it since the day has begun, and so later on she decides to stop being cooped up inside to get sun. Ernie the Armadillo has a well-protected shell. He can be safe from heat and rain. With his hard armor, he cannot complain. Arnie's shell is just as hard as a rock and prevents him can be stopped. Sylvester the bull calf walks around the barn to find some hay. This cannot be all. There is no way. And soon the farmer brings him oats with corn for the morning feed. Sly says, now this is the kind of food I need. Dusty, Windy, and Scout are three ducklings playing follow the leader by the pond. Since Windy was Leader Scout Dusty will respond, let's go this way and that way, they both say. Wendy says, no, I'm the leader and you supposed to follow things my way.